friends, thanks for stopping by. Hope you're all having a great day. I thought we would just do a fun, casual video. I did get sent some lipsticks from Christian Audette. I have purchased some of the lipsticks in the past, and I also purchased the Lisa D1 collection, which was one of my favorites. But I thought I would just share some of the lipsticks she sent, show you how I wear them. And I wanted to do it without makeup on so that you could really see the colors. The formula of this lipstick is so beautiful. The lip liner is probably one of the best I have ever used. Unfortunately, she only has 3 colors right now in a lip liner, but hopefully she'll come up with some more. But so I thought we'd just have some fun, and I have to tell you, I was a little bit concerned about myself last night. Now, I have been being very, very careful during this time. I wear, I have a R95 mask, which is, the difference between the N and the R is the way the oils or something catch on the mask, something like that. Lou was explaining it to me. I may have it all wrong. Anyway, I do have one of those, and then I wear a surgical mask over it. And I have Clorox wipes, I wear gloves, I wear long sleeve clothing, closed-toed shoes. I'm very, very careful when I go out because I don't want to bring anything home to Lou or the dogs. And to be honest, in this whole time, I think I have only been out 3 times, and I go to Costco because I feel really good about going into Costco because they have done such a good job with this social distancing. I am never probably 8 feet to another human being. If there's another person in the aisle, I go the other way. I am in and out, and it is only when we need food. That is it. So I have been very careful, but I have been feeling a little bit weird. I don't have a fever. It may be allergies. There are things that are very different in Florida here, so I don't know if I'm reacting to those things, but it's just a constant drain down the back of my throat, so it could be allergies. But I'm just going to take it easy today, so I thought I'm going to just come up and play. Lou, they did open, and here in Florida, now remember every state is different, they are starting to open things back up. So Lou, they opened our golf course up. It is a private golf course. They opened it back up today. They have to be single cart. They cannot ride with anybody else in the cart. They have to practice social distancing. You know, Lou has gloves. He has Clorox wipes. He has everything. They don't even store their golf bags. They have to bring them home with them. Lou sanitizes everything when he comes back home outside. So he's being very smart. Okay. So I thought, well, while he is out playing, I am going to play with some lipsticks. So that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to try some of these new colors on and let you see. And, you know, maybe I'll chit-chat. I'm not very good at chit-chatting just to come on into a video and start telling you stories. I'm good if I'm doing something. My brain can go off and tell you something and then quickly come back to what I was doing. But to just come on and tell you a story, I think to myself, who cares about my life, truly? So anyway, I'm going to start with the Lisa D1 because I've worn these in videos. They're no longer available, the lipsticks, but she had some of the most beautiful of the collection of the Christian Audette. And the first is Golden Tiger, and it is beautiful. Many of you probably have it. I'm not even going to put it on because I have worn it so many times. It's just a beautiful, beautiful peach. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous shade, but no sense really going on about it because you can't get it anymore, okay? And then she had Summer Nights? Yes, Summer Nights. And this was more of a brown nude. Again, very beautiful. Now this one I did top off in the center, usually with the Golden Tiger, just to give it a little bit more life for me. But they are just really perfect, perfect nudes. And I will say the formula of Christian Audette lipsticks is just so beautiful. I don't even know how to, it's almost like if you were to compare fabrics, you know, silk, to cashmere. These are like cashmere. They are really, really beautiful. So I'm going to start first with, this is called Where's My Limo? And I have not even swatched these on my hands, so I have no idea. But I'm going to go ahead, and you can still get the Lisa D1 lip liner, and I believe, what was the color of this? Nude Sandals. So appropriate for Lisa. So I'm going to go ahead with Nude Sandals with this one because it looks like another nude. It might have a little bit of a mauve undertone, but we'll go with it anyway. All right, so I'm just going to lightly line because I really want the lipstick to be the star of the show. I will tell you, I'm very excited. The new season of Bosch started, so we are going to binge watch that. We're finishing up the Ozark, and I'll tell you, when the first two shows I wasn't too sure, but wow, is that show good. Okay, so there is Nude Sandals, and let me just show this to you on my fingertip. It really is a beautiful nude. If you're looking for a really nice nude, this one is gorgeous. It is just so pretty. Okay, so we have that on our lips, and I also wanted to mention, because I had posted on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you really should. I post things there that I don't talk about here. But we had started to watch Lucifer. I think it's called Lucifer. And, you know, everybody was like, oh my God, yes, you have to watch it. So we were watching the very first show of season 1. I don't know how many seasons it has. So he was in the bar that I guess he runs, and there was someone, I'm thinking that he was visiting from hell, and he wanted Lucifer to go back. And so as they're talking, big wings come out of the guy. It lost Lou and I. It lost the both of us. So we turned off Lucifer and said, once the wings came out, I was just like, no, I know. I probably should have given it more of a chance. Okay, so we are going to go, and this is, again, Where's My Limo? Again, these are so fabulous in texture. They're not, they almost appear matte, but they're not dry at all like matte lipsticks. This is beautiful. So this one is really pretty. It's a little bit, it's warmer in tone, which I like. And it's almost, I would say it's a mauvey pinky nude. It really is pretty. Very, very pretty. Let me show it to you on the back of my hand without a lip liner. I would definitely say a pinky nude when I see it on my, because my lips are very blue, so it sometimes changes the actual color of a lipstick, but on my hand you can definitely see the pinky nude undertone. So very pretty. Again, Where's My Limo? So I'm going to go ahead and remove this. I thought I would share the liners with you first. The first liner is called Kitten. It's very, very fair in color. I will admit that. It's a very, very pale, almost pink, with a little bit of a violet undertone. So it may not really look great on me, but I still wanted to share the color. It's a very, very light lip liner. So if you're someone who likes a really, really light nude, this would be a good liner. It really does, on me, it has blue undertones, almost like a violet pink. So I wanted to share that, and again, that is Kitten. And then the other one is Smooches, and this one here is a nude. Let me put this up next to Lisa's. Okay, Lisa's definitely has a little bit more color than the Smooches, and it definitely has more of a mauvier undertone, where this one is almost a yellow undertone, almost. Okay, so I'll go ahead and we'll try that with, well, let me see what these other lipstick colors are. Now this is one that I purchased a long time ago. This is Cashmere Dame. Okay, so let's try this Smooches. On my skin, it is definitely a yellow undertone nude, which I think for Cashmere Dame, because Cashmere Dame goes a little mauve for me, I probably would have done better wearing the Nude Sandals by Lisa D1. But this one here is Cashmere Dame. Again, beautiful, beautiful formula. A stronger lip color than the first one. Where's my limo? You can wear it with this liner if you already have the liner. Look at the texture of this lipstick. This is beautiful, especially if you're someone who likes a nude that has a little bit more color to it. It's a mauvier undertone nude, but I think it's just, this one is beautiful. Now I bought this one a while ago, and I'll show it to you on my hand without the liner, but I really don't think it changes much. It might bring up a little bit more pink in it because, again, my lips are very blue. But that is it on my hand, and then that is it on my lips. Really beautiful. I cannot tell you how beautiful the texture of these lipsticks are. They really are special. All right, so I'm going to take that off. Okay, so now we're going to go with, I think this was a Christmas collection because it's called Mistletoe. Ms. Mistletoe, and it's in the white tube. And this one definitely has a pink undertone to it. So I'm going to go ahead and use Kitten, even though I think that Kitten is totally wrong for as a lip liner for this lipstick. We're going to go ahead and just line my lips so you can see what it looks like on. So that is what it looks like. You can see it's very, very pale in color. I like a little bit more definition. That's why I prefer the Lisa D1 and the smooches over the Kitten, but the texture, the quality of it is just as good as the others. So this one again is Ms. Mistletoe. And the texture of this lipstick is different. Okay, so this is definitely a pink lipstick. Very creamy. A little bit creamier than the black tube. I'll have to look into that. I did not really look in to see if the formula was different, but it does feel a little bit different on my lips. The black tube has more of a cashmere feel to it, and this one actually has a little bit, it's creamier to me. So let me go ahead and put this on my hand so you can see the true color of this. So you can see it definitely pulls a true pink, but it is a very pretty pink color. So we will go ahead and take this off. I have two more. I'm going to go ahead and just put the white tube on. Okay, this one here is Home Alone, and I think this is a very vibrant red. I don't really have a lip liner for this. So just to give lips a little definition, I'll just go in with the Nude Sandals very, very lightly. Because I definitely would wear something that had a little more red to it with this. But I'll just soften this down just so I define my lips. Okay, so it's just, there's hardly any on there. So this one here is a gorgeous, gorgeous red. And again, this is called Home Alone. Very pretty. Now this one feels just like the black tube, so I don't know why that pink one to me felt like it was a little more moisture, had a little more moisture to it. But look at the pigment that comes off of these lipsticks, just beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and put this on. And look at that. This is beautiful for the holidays. I mean, it's beautiful if these are the colors you like to wear. But some women, as they age, they get caught up in that we shouldn't be wearing darker lipsticks. If you have really small lips, I would probably agree with that. But if you have a full mouth, I think you can get away with it because it does make your lips look a little bit smaller. But if you have full lips, I mean, my lips, they're not disappearing. They do look a little bit smaller than they do with a lighter color on them. But this is a beautiful, beautiful color. And again, that one is Home Alone. Okay, so let me show you that one on my hand. And on my lips, it appears just a little bit darker because of the blue undertone in my lips. but that's on the hand. Beautiful. I mean, really, the texture of these, just so beautiful. So the next one is You're Fired, another vivid, bright red. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this on without a lip liner because I don't feel that any of these truly go with it. So I'll just go ahead and be really careful on my lips and try not to put it on all over the place, okay? A lip liner definitely would help me, but this is, it's beautiful. Look at that. This one definitely has more of that fuchsia red. Let me put that on my hand so you can see. It's definitely a pinky red, and I'm an orange red person. I prefer orange red, brick tones, but this is really beautiful. And there is that. I think I bought this one a long time ago, and I actually posted it in a video, and it was my thumbnail wearing this with no makeup on, and just, I think it said, where'd I get that glow? But this was the lipstick I was wearing. Just so beautiful. It really is a very... And the colors, all of her lipsticks, the saturation of color it's beautiful, but they feel so comfortable on the lips. I really, really hope that they come out with more lip liners to go with a variety of different colors. I, for one, prefer a lip liner that has a little bit of depth to it. So the Kitten is perfect if you're somebody who likes to wear less color on your lips and you just want something to, frame the lips. But for me, because I have so much blue in my lips, so those of you that have blue in your lip need to be a little careful with this one. But the other two are really great, and hopefully she comes up with something in the burgundy family, the red family, the brick family. She comes up with a nude that's more of a peachy nude or a cinnamon colored nude. I think it would be great for all of us, yes. But really, really nice lipsticks. Excellent lipsticks. All right, my friend. And I just wanted to share the ones that she recently sent me. So thank you to Christian Audette for sending me a couple of your lipsticks and liners. I really do hope that you continue to grow your lip liners because the formula is absolutely beautiful. I don't have a code. This is not a sponsored video, nothing like that. So I'm just here to share some lipsticks with you, my friends, in case you've been wondering about these colors and let you see them in their true form without any makeup. I really like doing it this way because you really get to see the color of the lipstick. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love to have you as an Ageless Beauty, so hit the subscribe button. And right next to it is a bell that will notify you through your email of all the videos that I am putting up, so you never have to worry about missing a video. And for some, I still have to say, roam the halls of your house. And for others, I can say, go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. And if your state is opening up, please, please still be smart. We have to be smart and we have to be thoughtful of others. So keep social distancing, keep sanitizing. If you cough, wear a mask. Stay away from people. If you feel sick, stay home. Be a responsible adult and we can get back to our normal life. All right, friends, I love you all. Bisous.